Hey guys, here's a recipe for a 10-minute vegan fried chicken bao. So for the fried chicken, we're going to cheat with some vegan nuggets. These are by Morningstar. And the baos you can actually find at your local Asian grocery store. These happen to be vegan. You'll need some chili peppers. These are red jalapenos. Some lettuce of your choice. And for the sauce, you'll need some sriracha, some vegan mayo, sesame oil, and peeled garlic. Now, since this is a 10-minute recipe, we want to start with the pickle. Basically, you just want to chop up all your peppers, toss them into a bowl, and then we're going to cover it with basic white vinegar. We want to give this at least 7 or 8 minutes to marinate so the peppers are nice and sour. Meanwhile, we'll toss our nuggets into our air fryer. I'm going to let this go for about 5 to 7 minutes until crispy. And we'll want to start with our sauce. You'll want to do about half a cup of vegan mayo, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, depending on your taste, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 to 3 garlic cloves. You can just run it through your garlic press. That's it. You basically just give it a nice little stir, and you can taste the seasoning and see how you like it. For me, it wasn't spicy enough, so I think I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more sriracha, about 1 more tablespoon of sriracha for my liking. Now, to make our bao, you can always steam it in a steaming basket, or you can take a kitchen towel, make it nice and damp, and you can use that to wrap up the bao and microwave it. So we're just gonna pull apart the bao carefully and make sure it's completely covered in a damp towel. I'm gonna do that. I'm doing 2 at a time for this recipe. And I'm gonna toss it in the microwave and hit 30 seconds. Once it comes out of the microwave, you just carefully unwrap it. Be careful, it's gonna be really warm. And you wanna open it up gently. It can break because it's not steamed, it is very gentle. Lather on your sauce as much as you want, followed by a few pieces of your green lettuce. And then you toss in your nugs, followed by your quick pickled jalapenos. And there you have it, a quick and easy snack or meal in less than 10 minutes. So this is a recipe I did on my TikTok, but if you want to see more recipes like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to see more on my channel here. Now this is a serious sandwich.